Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena and today I'm going to be showing you my new house. I just wanted to give a few disclaimers. We did just move in, so things are a little messy, still not put where they are going to be going. We still don't have all our furniture. Obviously this quarantine is holding us back. I did have my own little casita, what I like to call it. Well, I like to call it a casita. It was a studio, but it was like full size appliances, kitchen, everything. So I had all that, but I didn't have like full furnished. Like I didn't have a big table, I didn't have, you know, like house furniture. So I was super excited to be coming into a full-size house to get decorated, but then quarantine happened. We still got to move in and we are here now. So I'm going to show you what we have so far. Keep in mind, like I said, things are still out of place. It's not completely decorated. It's not at its full potential yet, and we're going to be starting in my beauty room. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and please just give this video a big thumbs up for me. I would appreciate that so much. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy my little house. So as you can see, this is my beauty room. I just have the old setup still from my previous video of my try on. I eventually want to have this wall, this white backdrop stand on that wall, and then a desk and a different setup, a more natural setup on the back wall. The flooring is beautiful in here, by the way. I love it. And then see, this wall is where I want to have the backdrop set up. And then it does have its own bathroom. It has its own closet too. This closet's gonna hold like my backdrops and my equipment, just all the ugly stuff, behind the scenes stuff. And then this bathroom I'm excited about because obviously to wet my beauty blender, but that way I don't have to run around the house when I am working or filming. It's not a job yet for me. It does have a shower. It's a full bathroom. I was also planning on like having my guests stay in this room. I either want to get a pull down bed that can be converted into like a desk or just a blow up mattress. But yeah, my beauty room. So this is the backyard, of course. It's full of these beautiful rose bushes, which I love, but the rocks I'm not a fan of. We're obviously renting, so we're not going to change it, but we'll have to work with it for now. I love how all the flowers look. I can't wait for them to be fully bloomed so I can just go pick some. And then all the toys, of course, belong to my nephews. We eventually want to get like a big gazebo and some patio furniture for that. So this is my office area. It's like a little nook off the dining room. It's the same office setup that I had at my old house. Well, not exact same setup, but it's the same desk. I just kind of rearranged some of my furniture. This candle I got at Costco. The bottle of champagne was for my wedding. The flower I got at IKEA. Yes, I know the calendar says July, but they didn't have anyone starting in January. My MacBook. I love having candles on in the house. And then this shelf has books, and I love my little light board that says busy doing nothing. So cute. So this is our dining room. I got this plant at Ross, candle at Costco, pot and carrier at Target. yes, I just love our table. We just got it. I wanted one big enough for everybody to fit when we have game nights or family gatherings. I love it. And then just off the dining room is this kids corner. I got this calendar and Happiness is Homemade sign at Target, and also had the clips at Target. And then the chalkboard was from Hobby Lobby. Here is just an overview of everything you guys seen right now. It's a very open concept home, so everything's kind of like one room, but it's very separated, as you can tell. But I just love how it's open concept. I'm obsessed with our kitchen. I think it's so beautiful. We just keep all the fruit over here. This is where we wash our dishes, and it has a beautiful view of all those rose bushes. We have some spice plants. We have rosemary, mint, and basil, and then our baking stuff. I just love how everything looks clean. And then we have a gas stove, which is a must for me. Here's like the view from the other side, and then just a little overview of my cabinets. I'm pretty excited about this. I love organizing things. This is just a start. Obviously, when we get out of this quarantine, I want to go to Home Goods and Burlington and Ross and really just get this house organized to how I really want it. This cabinet is the least organized, so I'm just going to show you and then close it. But yes, here's the plates, the baking. This is how serious I am. Look at everything is labeled. Everything has its spot. I love it. This is goals. Here's our cups. I have a billion tumblers for me and my sister-in-law. And then coffee cups, wine cups. This is my favorite part of the house so far. It's my coffee bar. Yes, I am a coffee queen. So you know I had to have my own coffee bar in my house. So the couches are from Ashley. The carpet is from Costco. This middle thing, I don't know where it's from. The TV stand is from Wayfair. I love how it looks. So in the TV stand, we have the boys' side, which is their video games and some old movies, like DVDs. Like, who even has those anymore? And then on this side, we have all our games. We're huge game night people, so that's all our games. We're gonna need a new cubby soon. And yeah, this big round thing was given to me as a gift, but it holds some blankets. And then I have this little coffee table from Ross, coasters from a friend, and candles from Costco. I don't even remember. I think I got the pillows from Dee Dee's. The curtains are from Costco. yeah, and over here there's this big blank wall. I have some ideas what I want to do with it. Something like this or something like this. Just let me know down below what you guys think is better. So here I have these gauntlets. I got these at Burlington for my wedding. That round mirror was a gift. I don't know where it's from. And the shelves I've always had at my other place. They're from IKEA. We just have some books and some knickknacks. This hall tree is from Wayfair. It's my sister-in-law's. She ordered it. I think it's really cute here. And yeah, here's the overview. This carpet is from Costco, and then this is actually the front door. Here's the second bathroom, full bath. It's not mine. Closet. We keep cleaning supplies and stuff in there. And then that's their room right there. That's my nephew's room right there. And then down this hall, so it's just my little haul. I keep my wedding pictures here and the Our Story sign I actually made for my wedding. The the picture frame shelves are from IKEA. The picture frames were a gift, so I'm not sure where they're from. And the sign that you saw was from Home Goods, the wooden sign. And for the grand finale, so I've always been a fan of like gray and white and neutral color, so that's my theme, and mirrored, of course, like glam for my room. But I'm starting to think that I like French country for my house. So all these picture frames are from like Ross, TJ Maxx, wedding pictures. The dresser is from I don't know where, has a big hole in it from moving. Then on the left side, we have my side, which is my vanity, and the bed is from Wayfair, the headboard. The left side is my husband's side, but it has all my stuff. I love this little area for taking selfies. It's super cute. And then that left stand is mine, full of makeup. And then here's like our mail and our towel rack and key hooks. And this is my side. Of course, you guys seen my vanity. If you haven't seen my vanity tour, everything's the same. I'll link it. But yeah, here it is. Super cute. I'm so happy that it fit into the new house. So the reason my vanity is still in my room is because we have some family living with us for a few months before I can actually get the beauty room all to myself. So it will be here for 3 months and then we are moving out. And I hope to get like some matching nightstands and like actually have a bedroom for once. But yeah, here it is. Super cozy. And here is the last bathroom. It's another full bathroom and it's connected to my room. I love having a bathroom connected to my room. It's super convenient in the middle of the night when I have to go pee. I love it. It's super cute. It's not the biggest, but it's functional. Here is my closet. Yes, I love my closet. Well, I don't love this closet, but I love my clothes in this closet. Like, I love this area. I love seeing all my clothes in color coordinated order. And I organize my purses. So they're all up there looking cute. I'm a Michael Kors fan, obviously.
But yeah, all my clothes are color coordinated. All the jackets and dresses are in the back because I don't reach for those as much. And once I get my beauty room, they will all be going in there. All our shoes are on the bottom, and then I took over my husband's side as well, like half of it. All the jeans on the top are mine, and then those are all his shoes actually, and his running clothes.
Alright beauty, so that is it for my house tour. I will be coming back with a fully furnished house tour in the future. Hopefully this quarantine ends soon, but I hope you guys all stay safe and stay positive. Remember, stay positive, keep yourself busy, take pictures, do makeup. Like, look at this look I created today. Go check out my Instagram for more looks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Love you.